I work for Renfrow Industrial, and we are a comprehensive mechanical and electrical contractor, as well as an unlimited licensed GC. And we do everything from new plant construction to expansions to repairs, capital projects, and anything mechanical or electrical we self-perform, and then we also have the ability to sub out the civil portions of the work. We also offer shop fabrication, and we carry all of our code stamps, the RS and U stamp, so we can do any sort of steel work that's necessary, like manufacturing pressure vessels or boiler work. Well, I mean, this is the show of the show. We have about 300 vendors here. I know 3,000 people coming through, and anybody who has anything to do with manufacturing, I think is going to be here today. It was wonderful. I got into it a little late in the game. My booth wasn't planned fully in advance. I worked with Marguerite, who helped me get together with Ben, who put together a great design, whipped it out very, very quick. So good pricing, great service, great design. Very happy with it. So. Well, I know Marguerite from an associate, so I think that was the initial draw. But it was the cost was reasonable, the design was great, the service was great. So. Again, the speed. The speed. I mean, that was really it. I attempted to plan this earlier in advance, and then sales gets busy, and so it really was last minute. And their ability to get this out so quickly was amazing.